Look how big these are. These are actually V10 Mercury engines that create 1,600 horsepower. Let me show you the secret compartment of this. Check it out. We've got our sink. We've got all of our light switches. There we go. And this actually pops the light on for the bathroom. We've got on. Go check it out. Let's go. This right here is $1 million flying yacht. Now we're going to start up the engines like this, touch screen, and then on. Ready? Watch what happens. All right, who's ready to fly this baby? This is the jet car, the latest addition to the 5 police fleets of vehicles. We've got our main switch over here. Just like a car, we've got a pedal for acceleration. You can get up to 80 kilometers per hour.